Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can show background images on Brave. So let's get started. Firstly, open Brave browser in your device. Then tap on three dots icon. Next tap on settings. Then scroll until you find new tab page. Next tap on it. After that, you can see the option of show background images. Turn on it by tapping on it. Then tap on relaunch now. Then check if it is done or not. So this is how you can turn on show background images on Brave. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.